Job interviews can be nerve-wracking. The anticipation, the pressure to perform, and the fear of the unknown can all contribute to a stressful experience. It's natural to feel anxious, but with the right preparation, you can turn that anxiety into confidence. You want to make a great impression and show off your skills. It's your chance to demonstrate why you're the perfect fit for the role. But how do you ensure that you stand out from the crowd and leave a lasting impression on your interviewer? But sometimes, it's hard to know how to answer interview questions effectively. You might find yourself stumbling over your words or unsure of how to frame your experiences in a way that resonates with the interviewer. This is where a structured approach can make all the difference. That's where the STAR method comes in. STAR stands for Situation, Task, Action, and Result. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can help you organize your thoughts and present your experiences in a clear and compelling manner. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can help you ace your interviews and land your dream job. By breaking down your responses into these 4 components, you can ensure that you cover all the important details and provide a comprehensive answer. The STAR method provides a structured approach to answering behavioral interview questions, those pesky questions that start with, "Tell me about a time when..." These questions are designed to assess how you've handled situations in the past and predict how you'll perform in the future. By using the STAR method, you can provide clear, concise, and compelling responses that highlight your skills, experience, and accomplishments. You'll be able to demonstrate your problem-solving abilities, your capacity to handle challenges, and your overall suitability for the role. This method helps you showcase your suitability for the role in a way that is both memorable and impactful for the interviewer. It allows you to tell your story in a structured and engaging way, making it easier for the interviewer to understand your value and envision you in the role. So next time you're preparing for an interview, remember to use the STAR method. It could be the key to unlocking your dream job. The STAR method is an acronym that stands for Situation, Task, Action, and Result. It's a storytelling technique that helps you structure your answers to behavioral interview questions in a way that is easy for the interviewer to follow and understand. Each component of the STAR acronym plays a crucial role in crafting a complete and compelling answer. By addressing each part, you can ensure that your response is well-structured, informative, and showcases your abilities in a positive light. The situation is where you set the context for your story. This is the foundation upon which your entire narrative will be built, so it's crucial to get it right. Begin by describing the specific event or situation that you were in. Think about the who, what, where, and when of your story. Who was involved? What was the task or challenge? Where did it take place? When did it happen? Provide enough detail for the interviewer to understand the background, but avoid getting bogged down in unnecessary information. You want to paint a clear picture without overwhelming them with too many details. Focus on the key elements that set the stage for your story. For example, if the interviewer asks, "Tell me about a time you failed," you could start by describing a specific project where you faced unexpected challenges. This helps the interviewer understand the context and the stakes involved. You might say, "In my previous role as a marketing assistant, I was tasked with launching a new product campaign." This not only sets the scene, but also highlights your role and responsibilities. This sets the scene and provides the interviewer with context for your story. Remember, the goal is to make the interviewer feel like they are right there with you, experiencing the situation as you did. This will make your story more engaging and memorable. Additionally, consider mentioning any relevant background information that might help the interviewer understand the significance of the situation. For instance, was this a high-stakes project for a major client? Were there tight deadlines or limited resources? By providing this context, you help the interviewer grasp the full scope of the situation and why it was important. This will make your story more compelling and impactful. Setting the scene effectively is the first step in crafting a powerful and persuasive narrative. It lays the groundwork for the actions you took and the results you achieved, making it easier for the interviewer to follow and understand your story. The task component focuses on your specific responsibilities within that situation. Clearly define your role and the objectives you are working towards. What were you specifically tasked with doing? What was the goal you were trying to achieve? Continuing with the previous example, you could continue. My responsibility was to manage the social media marketing campaign and drive pre-orders for the new product. This clarifies your specific role and the desired outcome of your efforts. The action is the most crucial part of the STAR method. This is where you describe the actions you took to address the situation or complete the task. Be specific and use action verbs to highlight your skills and initiative. You might say, I developed a comprehensive social media strategy, created engaging content, and collaborated with influencers to reach a wider audience. I also closely monitored the campaign's performance and made adjustments based on real-time data. This demonstrates your proactive approach, marketing expertise, and data-driven decision-making skills. Finally, the result is where you share the outcomes of your actions. What was the impact of your efforts? Did you achieve your goals? Did you learn something valuable? Quantify your achievements whenever possible to add credibility to your story. To conclude your example, you could say, as a result of my efforts, the social media campaign exceeded our pre-order goals by 15%. The successful launch generated significant buzz and contributed to the product's overall success. This highlights the positive impact of your actions and quantifies your achievements, leaving a lasting impression on the interviewer. Let's look at another example. Imagine the interviewer asks, tell me about a time you worked effectively as part of a team. This is a common question in interviews because employers want to know how well you can collaborate with others. Here's how you might use the STAR method to craft your answer. The STAR method stands for situation, task, action, and result. It's a structured way to respond to behavioral interview questions by outlining a specific situation, the tasks involved, the actions you took, and the results you achieved. Situation. During my final year of college, I was part of a team tasked with developing a mobile application for a local business as part of our capstone project. This project was crucial for our graduation and required us to apply everything we had learned throughout our course. Task. My role was to design the user interface and user experience, UI/UX, of the application, ensuring it was user-friendly and visually appealing. This involved understanding the needs of the business and its customers and translating those needs into a functional and attractive design. Action. I collaborated closely with the developers, incorporating their feedback into my designs and iterating based on user testing. We held regular meetings to ensure seamless communication and progress. I also conducted user research sessions to gather feedback directly from potential users, which helped us refine the app's features and usability. Additionally, I took the initiative to organize brainstorming sessions where team members could share their ideas and suggestions. This fostered a sense of ownership and collaboration within the team, as everyone felt their contributions were valued. Result: our teamwork and dedication paid off. The mobile application we developed was well received by both the business and its customers. It even won an award for Best Student Project at our university's technology fair. This experience taught me the importance of clear communication, mutual respect, and the power of diverse perspectives in achieving a common goal. In conclusion, working effectively as part of a team requires not only technical skills, but also the ability to listen, adapt, and support each other. It's about creating an environment where everyone can contribute their best work and feel appreciated for their efforts. This is what makes teamwork truly make the dream work. The STAR method offers several benefits for job seekers. It helps you structure your answers, providing a clear framework that makes them concise and easy to follow. It also allows you to highlight your skills, focusing on actions and results to effectively showcase your abilities relevant to the job. Additionally, the STAR method enables you to demonstrate your experience by sharing specific examples from your past, proving your capabilities to potential employers. And let's not forget, having a structured approach to answering interview questions can boost your confidence and help you stay calm under pressure. Like any skill, mastering the STAR method takes practice. Before your interview, take some time to review common behavioral interview questions and practice answering them using the STAR method. You can even rehearse with a friend or career counselor to get comfortable with the technique. The more you practice, the more natural and effortless your STAR responses will become during the actual interview. This preparation will equip you to confidently handle even the toughest interview questions. The STAR method is a valuable tool for any job seeker. By using this method, you can turn your interview answers into compelling stories that showcase your skills, experience, and accomplishments. This structured approach helps you stand out from other candidates and leave a lasting impression on the interviewer. Remember, practice makes perfect, so start practicing the STAR method today and watch your interview confidence soar.